Okay, let's open the door. See how bad we're snowed in. Let's see. Uh-oh.
Tail's wagging. Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa, back in.
Forget about it.
He says, no, Mom, help. Mama, help.
That's crazy.
Pick me up, Mama.
Alright, we'll be staying indoors tonight. Hey, wait, is that my car? No. Is that my car? Where is my car? Oh, no. Dude, where's my car? Can you see that car? Wait, where'd he go? There he is. There he is. He's moving just oh so slowly. I think that's my car right there, with the wipers up. Is that it? Nope, that's not it. There it is, wipers up. That's the car. Later on, I'll be trying to dig it out of the snow. Oh, fun times, fun times.